You just took a dookie. Oh my god. Come on. It stinks so bad. I shouldn't have took her on the fall wash. We already would have been home and she would have run not pooped. And so annoying. I will actually run past her because there's a bunch of dogs. And she hates other dogs. Okay, come on. Come on. No fish trap. Come on. Don't like other dogs. Walk. My finger is literally dying right now. I have to keep moving it because I'm getting frostbite on my thumb. Come on. We're almost making it home. I'm going to pause it when we get really close. Okay, yeah. I thought this was all dog food, but it's not. We're so close. I thought she peed on my freaking shoe, but she didn't. So, come on. Let's go. Home. Made it home.